Hello, Bonanza Extra. We're so glad to have you back. And welcome to all our new Chatham Change Agents. Today's briefing will offer more exciting, fun facts in a flash. Let's just dive right in as we continue to flow upstream. But wait, what's our passcode?
If it's to be, it's up to me.
Access granted.
Engineering is a branch of science and technology concerned with the design, building, and use of engines, machines, and structures. Engineering is the application of science and maths to solve problems. While scientists and inventors come up with innovations, it is engineers who apply these discoveries to the real world. Engineers are in high demand. Development projects across all areas of society mean that engineers are highly sought after. This is a specialized field that requires extensive training. It's important to mention that those interested in this field, like with most stream areas of study, prepare by applying themselves with a sense of purpose in school, and work towards making good grades. Principles of Engineering P.O.E. is a high school level survey course of engineering. The course exposes students to some of the major concepts that they will encounter in a post-secondary engineering course of study. Students have an opportunity to investigate engineering and high-tech careers. Mechanical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, aerospace engineering, chemical engineering, biomedical engineering, environmental engineering, computer engineering, software engineering, nuclear engineering, structural engineering, agricultural engineering and systems engineering are just a few of the engineering fields in high demand. Engineers with technical to bachelor's degrees earn between $60,000 to $80,000 a year, and $65,000 to $125,000 and more a year at the professional level. Colleges in Savannah and in the state offer degrees in engineering and related fields. So agents, study hard, maintain good attendance, make good grades, and you can become an engineer.
The Winter School of Mechanical Engineering at Georgia Tech has a number of different programs in engineering: mechanical engineering, nuclear and radiological engineering, bioengineering, robotics, and so it's a conglomerate of a number of different areas. Mechanical engineers are involved in building and constructing devices and systems that make life better for folks. Kind of the glue that holds together the different engineering disciplines in my mind. It's very multidisciplinary. Very few engineering projects these days are limited to just one type of engineering, and mechanical engineers kind of help to pull that all together. So you may have electrical engineers working on a project and system engineers along with mechanical engineers all working towards a common goal.
It's a very practical school, as opposed to sitting in a classroom with a calculator and punching in numbers and finding results. You actually get to look at and see what your engineering systems do and how to make them work better.
I think it's really neat to see your work in action. You know, you can make these things in the lab, but then to put them into practice and really see them make a difference, I think is really neat and motivates me every day to learn a little bit more about what I'm doing.
Mechanical engineers have very broad job prospects. They have a lot of mobility. They can work in areas such as energy, thermal systems, manufacturing, maybe even robotics or transportation or telecommunications. Any place where products are made or devices are made or conceived and created, you'll find mechanical engineers hired.
If a high schooler was wondering whether or not this was kind of the right direction for them to go in, I would say they need to be interested in getting their hands dirty. In our particular program, we do a lot of hands-on work. We get to play with a lot of mechanical systems and electronics and different facilities. And so if you kind of have that itch to get your hands dirty and work on things and at the same time think about how fundamentally they work, then this would be a good path for you.